We create solutions. Aircrete Europe is your global technology partner for Autoclaved Aerated Concrete, also known as AAC, a lightweight concrete building material. We design, deliver and operate the most innovative turnkey plants for production of AAC blocks and AAC panels. Based on 40 years of industry experience and work in over 100 AAC plants worldwide, we provide expertise to your projects. In addition to supplying the leading AAC panel technology, we also service and optimize production in existing plants. We create solutions for your market. Aircrete Europe is a member of the Aircrete Group N.V, a Dutch family-owned holding providing fully vertically integrated solutions for the AAC industry. AAC is a building product with decades of successful application. Blocks and panels from Aircrete plants are used in modular prefabricated building systems. We continuously strive to provide greener, faster and better building technologies for markets worldwide.